Okay, just try to do another stream. So basically, using a different device. So I'm not sure whether it will be work or not, but hopefully it will work. So because I am actually using my Dream Gadget as the streaming devices, because most likely this is the common laptop that I will bring every time that I wanted for to do some trip, even though basically I'm not sure about the productivity in terms of programming that I can do on the Windows operating system, because for some reason I already very confident to use Mac or Unix based operating system for programming purposes. So for some reason using a Windows is pretty different or unfamiliar to me, even though for some reason for some people right now is already able to code on the Windows operating system as well, especially when the Windows is also supports some sort of Unix features that's basically make programming programming is a little bit easier. But yeah, besides, I'm also not really common, or most likely will not be able to use any kind of Mac application in the Windows, obviously, because unless I was trying to use a VirtualBox or even Hackintosh, perhaps, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's will gonna be pretty hard, because I'm not sure even when I try to install some Linux into this Dream Gadget, it will be as easy as it can be, or it is actually not gonna support the driver immediately. So that's the reason why it's definitely needs some workaround in order to support any kind of features that basically already exist on the Dream Gadget. So that's the reason why at some point I'm not sure whether I will able to upgrade the main storage of these devices as well, because for some reason if I try to upgrade or change the main SSD, it will gonna need to restore the Windows completely from the beginning, which is I'm not sure whether it will be as easy as when I try to upgrade the SSD on my MacBook Air, which is basically able to do the internet recovery, which is very smooth to install operating system without even have those operating system in the beginning. So that's the reason why. But for some reason when I try to upgrade the storage of my Mac Mini, it doesn't work that way. Maybe because the Mac Mini has a built-in recovery features inside the system. I'm not sure, because when I try to do the recovery, it's still basically install the very old operating system at the time that I basically try to bought those old Mac Mini. So basically, yeah, it's already definitely older than my MacBook Air, but it's only basically 1 years older. So that's not really make so much difference. But at the time that I basically upgrade the MacBook Air storage, it is already the latest operating system that basically available during that time. So that's the reason why it's pretty much up to date, even though right now it's already obsolete as well, because for some reason Mac operating system is basically released every single years, which is basically, yeah, pretty much very long. So yeah, man, I don't. There's so many. I'm not sure whether the background sounds will be heard or not. It's basically pretty annoying and it's a little bit disrupting. So I'm not sure whether I will try to stop the stream and just to see how the result, because yeah, it is actually the first stream on the Stream Gadget. So I'm not using the MacBook Pro again for streaming, live streaming to the YouTube, because yeah, for some reason I just don't know why, but the Dream Gadget seems to be more smooth on AirPlay, the Animoji from the my iPhone into the Zoom application, because yeah, I'm actually using the same exact setup to this kind of Animoji live streams.